If you're a wellness fan, you need to hear this. Burping could be more than just a funny sound. It might be your spirit giving you a nudge. So here's the scoop. In spiritual circles, burping isn't just about digestion. Some believe that when you burp during meditation, healing sessions, or energy work, it's your body letting go of stuck energy. Picture it as your spirit hitting the refresh button, out with the old, in with the new. It's not just about gas, it's about clearing emotional or energetic blockages. Healers even say burping can happen when negative vibes leave your system. Next time you burp unexpectedly, maybe your energy is just getting a tune-up. Of course, not every burp is a spiritual event. Sometimes it really is just the soda. But hey, why not have some fun with it? So is burping a sign of spiritual energy release? That's up to you to decide. Stay curious, stay light, and remember, sometimes letting go is as easy as a burp.